Driving old Dodge, check engine lights on, has no power, but first time combine week. Already got one little field done, and I got the header trailer behind. There's our old property we used to own there where the Massey's at. We sold that. Nice gentleman. So I'm just kind of taking my time here. This thing has 0 power. There's something wrong with it. But I don't know if I'll get any videos here because I want to focus on wheat harvest, but I'll see what I can get for you guys. Living on the country is just beautiful. Everybody says, oh, it's not beautiful. Well, look at that. You see things that you never see. Huh, I don't even know steering. That's nice. That's a Dodge. But hopefully the old combine will hang in there. Could have got the old Sassy Massey out here, but I don't think that thing would even run 40 acres and the engine would die. But anyway, catch you in the next one. Mint. Meat combine. Whoop. I don't have a GoPro, guys, so we'll just use my cell phone, and my brother can film here. Uh-oh, starting to wrap around here. Not paying attention, getting off track here. The old 9750 combine looks pretty good, though. For a while, so I gotta figure out how to run it again. It's been a while. I didn't get to run it all year yet until now, so. There's some weeds here. I gotta kind of lift up a little bit here. Hopefully they'll feed. this combine's quieter than the Massey, that's for sure. Used to the engine by you. This one is the engine's in the back, so you don't know if it's on fire or not. Just better hope not. Oh, she's wrapping around here. Dad is just taking the other semi to town while I combine and all work together and get it all done with here.